So here from a new country, Jamaica. Not the first time here, but the first time us making a video. So just gonna show y'all just a quick room tour real quick. We're staying at the Riu Montego Bay. Weather's a little iffy, but that's another story. We'll get into that later. But anyway, just to show y'all a quick room tour. So you first walk in, this is the actual door. To the right, you got the mini bar. And this is the liquors that we have. This is rum, I believe. And then you got the regular vodka, dry jam, waters, coffee stove, little mini fridge, the beer, water, Sprite, sparkling water. To the left, you have the bathroom. Pretty nice size shower, walk-in, double sinks, toilet. And the bathroom is a nice size, so no complaints on that. Coming out of the bathroom to your right, you got the closet. Pretty standard. Sliding closet, I'm not really threw all my clothes and stuff in.
Oh, you didn't get that?
Oh, yeah, you got the robes. We haven't stayed in a resort in maybe like a year. Like the past year, we've been just doing resorts. Not resorts, Airbnbs. So, yeah, that's the first resort the first resort we stayed in that we actually had robes. And on the other side, like, so you got like a little 2 cubicle, or little slots at the bottom to save, pillow, blanket. And you got a nice size king bed.
Yeah, but they got these thin ass pillows. Like, what we gonna do with that? But it's okay.
Yeah, no complaints. And we actually been here for a day now. We just didn't record, so yeah, sleeping, it wasn't the best, but like I said, no complaints. Across from the bed, you got a full-size mirror, a little bench / foot cubby area, just throw your shoes or whatever, TV, dresser followed by that, storage, so you want to throw some stuff in there, couch, table, if you want to just like lounge. And we don't got the best view, but our balcony is a decent size. So
yeah, this is the first time we didn't have an ocean view, so I'm really sad about it, but it's okay.
That is true. And you can see it's a pretty big size.
Yeah, it goes all the way around too.
So if you wrap around, you got that. Like I said, this balcony is pretty massive, so what you think about it?
Okay. It's not bad. You never know what you expect with the Rio, so
yeah.
I feel like it's decent.
And this is my first time staying at a Riu. Nikita's in the stayed at several Rius, so everything for me is, first impressions are my first time, so she will have better experience to me. But yeah, like I said, you have to wrap around. It does have a splash park back there, so probably won't go to it, but it's there. And
I think we should go.
We should go to the splash park.
Yeah, I like water slides. You know.
I mean, we can go if you want to go.
Yeah, I think we should do that.
Well, I guess we're going to the splash park, so that'll be in one of the videos. And yeah, this is the view. It is a tropical storm going on, so we're trying to work our way around these videos because it's obviously just delaying stuff that we had plans. And today is gonna be a pretty chill day, but obviously we'll take y'all around as with the resort. About to hit up Club 2727 in Montego Bay. So about to take y'all along for the ride.
What's up, y'all? So we're getting ready. We're about to go out to the pool. Like literally all week, it literally rained. So today is Thursday, and this is the actual first day where it actually was sunny outside, beautiful weather. So we were mad because we wanted to actually do a little tour today, but we ended up canceling because we didn't go to sleep till like late last night, till like maybe like what 3 or 4 o'clock last night. Right later than that. So today it was supposed to actually rain. So we were just like, we don't want to chance it. Like all week we've been literally trying to do a tour or our excursion this week, and we literally haven't. So, but we was mad because they didn't even rain today, and it was literally sunny. So we're gonna try to do it tomorrow or whatever. But right now we're about to go to the pool. We just had some jerk chicken, which has been the best thing so far since we've been at the resort. So the pool would be kind of, pretty much lit. I feel like everybody been at the pool because like we can't literally do anything else because it's raining. So, but yeah, that's what we about to do. Tomorrow we should have an actual Jamaica video, still the resort video. So, if anybody's seen our videos, that's what we love to do. Like we love to explore. We don't want to be on the resort or be in the Airbnb the whole time. Like that's not us. So
it is the Riu Foam Party today, so we plan on hitting that up. Whatever else we end up doing while we're here on the resort today, we definitely gonna show y'all that as well. So yeah, that's what you can expect. Finally out there along there drinking at the pool. I'll put in all them clips if I haven't showed them already, just the foam party and everything that's been going on so far. So right now we about to go eat at what's the restaurant called again?
Something dragon, I don't know. It was the first night, and we went with this other couple that we met, and yeah, I don't know what it is. They made a reservation for us, so we're about to go there.